Baba is in profit.
Of course, now.
In profit.
Of course,
Close.
now. So, let me see. The internet.
You forgot some self.
I forgot it too.
That's 2K here,
I'll do
3K
2K.
on the other one. That's 5K done today. 5K. 5K. Yes. Profit house. Everybody's cashing out.
Go buy burgers.
Oh my God, guys, yesterday the internet was breaking down because of Jeffrey Benson, Don Jazzy, and habbyforex. As you already know, Don Jazzy is doing Forex, but many people were shocked when they saw Don Jazzy talking about Forex and was with Jeffrey Benson, the king of Forex in Nigeria. Well, the truth is that Don Jazzy have been trading Forex for quite some time now, and one thing I'd like to share with you is that it has changed something in me. I believe same has happened with you because the fire which is burning in me now is totally different from the way I was few days ago before the incident of yesterday Monday. What I'd like to share with you is that if you do not take Forex trading serious, then I don't know what you want for yourself, because look at it for yourself. We have people who travel out of the country, they risk their lives, they go through the Red Sea, they go through the desert, and then some of them do not make it alive. Why some struggle to make it alive? When you look at all of those stress, before traveling, they will sell land, gather their money and everything of nothing less than two, three, $4,000. Let's just say 1, 2, 3, 4 million. They will use that money to embark on this journey, and some of them will end up dying along the way and will never arrive their promised land, which is either US, Italy, Europe, and the rest. But look at Forex. How much do you even pay to learn Forex? It's not really that much compared to what these people they spend. Let me keep that aside. Let's come back to Don Jazzy, because this video is all about Don Jazzy. Oh, Don Babade. Okay, so the truth is that Don Jazzy has been doing music for so many years. Many of us, we love him so much, and we know that his music label has one of the best artists also in Nigeria. We have the likeness of Ira Star, the likeness of Rema, and the rest. And with all those success, he's doing well for himself. So why do you think he would want to take the stress to focus on Forex and going to meet Jeffrey Benson and Habby Forex, wanting to learn from them again? This can only tell you one thing, all right? Forex is the future. It's the only way that you don't have to depend on any third party to dictate to you or to limit you the amount of money you can make, because the goal in life is to achieve three things, which are: we have financial freedom, most importantly, we have time freedom, and we have location freedom. Many people are financially free, but they lack time freedom and they lack location freedom. For instance, as a forex trader, Don Jazzy has understood that even if he decides to quit or to close down or to retire from Maven's record today, he is still going to be traveling to any part of the world. And what can keep him busy that he can still be using to make money? Forex, crypto. These two categories are categories whereby what you make doesn't depend on a third party, but it depends on you, which means the more you work on yourself, the more return you are going to get in future as you are gaining experience in the field. What other job again? If you are a website developer, you have limitations now, unless you build your own website like the likeness of Mark Zuckerberg and the rest. But if you are working with somebody, no matter how good you are, no matter how hard you work, there is a limit that you will never ever cross. For instance, you cannot go above the company that has employed you unless you have to quit and go to a new company which maybe is doing better than the company that you are currently working at. So having a self-sustaining skill that doesn't have financial limitations should be your number one goal. And Forex, crypto, these two categories are those categories whereby anybody can come in without any high level of education and still succeed and make it big. So with all the money Don Jazzy has been able to make over these years, he has a car, he has a beautiful house, he has every other thing many of us have been dreaming about. But why would he be coming to do Forex again, or to take Forex more serious rather than relaxing now and enjoying all of those money? So you who is not doing anything now should take Forex very, very serious. And this should be as a wake-up call to you. I look forward to meeting Don Jazzy someday, Jeffrey Benson someday through Forex. I don't know how it's going to happen. But then I'm very optimistic, and I believe that hard work will take me to that level where I will meet with all of them someday. So that is the reason why you have to take Forex serious. Financial freedom, location freedom, and time freedom. If I have financial freedom with Forex trading, I have all the time. Ask Jeffrey Benson. They don't trade all the time, right? Location freedom. You can travel to any country. All you need is just to have your laptop or your tablet, whereby you can see the forex market in a bigger scale, and you'll be able to make profit. Trust me, guys. There is nothing out there that can guarantee you this kind of unlimited success, because success is not just about wealth. There are people who live from their car to their office, from the office back to the car to the house, then they sleep. There is no time for leisure or anything, just fun and back, fun and back. But us in this time, we are still very strong and active. And Forex is not closing anytime soon. For Forex to stop, it means every country must use one and the same currency. And that can never happen, because one country must be stronger than the other, and also the country's currency will be stronger than the other countries. I believe you already know where I'm heading to. But let's leave that aside. Have it in your mind that Forex is not closing anytime soon. So take the time, pay the price, and learn the skill. If Don Jazzy, upon all his success, is doing Forex and is taking it more serious and is looking for a mentor, then who are you, living in a single room or living in whatsoever condition that you find yourself in today, is taking Forex lightly and is not having sleepless nights to master this skill? It's not to make you to feel bad, all right? But it's just to motivate you and to encourage you. So let us go ahead and watch some of the clips. Watch some of the clips which motivated me and which I wanted to also motivate you.
Bro, 3-8.
Nice.
Nice one.
It's 5K now, bro. 5K.
Nice. How about you?
They move on the per second.
Live trading with Don Jazzy.
Already. How much profit are you on? 54. Okay, 54 right now. Yeah, that's small account. Yeah. Small account never dies. It never dies. Yeah. Just check this now. Yeah. This is about. Yo, it was 32 before. It was 32. Let me close out. Let me just close out right now. Close, guys. Close. Don't be on this trade again. Close. Swipe. Palm. We are back up 200 again.
So
Baba is in profit.
Of course, now.
In profit.
Of course.
Close.
Now. So let me see. The internet.
You forgot some self.
I forgot it too.
That's 2K here, 3K on the other one. That's 5K done today. 5K. Yes. Profit house. Everybody's cashing out.
Go buy burgers.
So this video is meant to encourage you, to make you to see why you need to keep working on yourself, no matter the situation you find yourself in life today. I hope this video has motivated you, and if you love content that will keep you active and motivated, see you in the next one, guys. As you watch this video, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also like this video. Comment whatsoever you want me to create a video about it on the comment section next, and I'm going to be seeing you on the next one. Love you all. Peace.